Are you looking for a specialty saw blade that is capable of using the same blade to cut wood and metal? Well, you should check out Diablo's 7¼ inch, 36 tooth, wood and metal carbide saw blade. Diablo's new 7¼ inch wood and metal saw blade is the industry's first multi-purpose saw blade for cutting clean wood and wood with nails, with a material thickness of up to 2¼ inch and for cutting 3/32 of an inch to 1/4 inch wall thickness in steel studs, channel, angle iron, pipe, tubing, plate, and bar stock, and for cutting 1/4 inch to 1 inch maximum diameter in threaded rods. Diablo's wood and metal carbide saw blade features a chamfered-alternate tooth design. This design provides impact resistance for cutting wood with nails, as well as provides durability for creating clean, burr-free cuts in metal. This saw blade is also equipped with a tri-metal shock-resistant brazing system, a 3-metal brazing system that allows the carbide tips to withstand extreme impact for maximum durability in wood and metal products. Diablo's wood and metal cutting saw blades advanced laser cut stabilizer vents trap noise and vibration for maximum stability, and keeps the blade cool for accurate cuts in wood and metal applications. The laser cut thin kerf design and non-stick PermaShield aluminum coating allows the blades to deliver less resistance and heat buildup by protecting the blade against heat, gumming, and corrosion, while quickly shearing through wood and metal products with ease and accuracy. And the specially formulated Diablo Tyco carbide tips helps the blade withstand impact, reduce wear, and last longer in wood and metal cutting applications. Sawblade.com carries an extensive line of Diablo as well as a wide range of high-quality sawing products at factory direct prices. We sell direct so we can control the quality of the product and the customer's experience, making sure you are always a satisfied customer and bringing you quality industrial sawing products at lower prices. So log on to Sawblade.com for all of your sawing needs, from circular saw blades, coolant, and replacement parts. And while you're there, don't forget to check out Sawblade.tv, where you can access our assortment of sawing solutions, tech tips, and keep up with the latest in Sawblade.com motorsports. Sawblade.com is simply the best in performance sawing products. And remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem. Go direct.